Quick story lang, last September 27, I decided to try FT lending for the first time. And I got approved right away for 4,800 pesos. Yes, ang laki diba for a first timer? Anyway, I decided not to use it. Hindi ko po siya ginalaw. However, 2 days later, like September 29, I got a text message and boom, they actually increased my credit limit agad-agad kahit wala akong ginawa. So I was like, legit ba talaga to? Or is it some form of a marketing tactic lang? Well, let's break it down. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and I upload videos about personal finance, a little bit of work from home stuff, and also snippets into my life. A quick disclosure lamang po, I am not a professional financial advisor and the content that I share in this video ay based lamang po on my personal experience, opinion, and for awareness. Today, sisilipin natin si FT Lending, isa sa mga legit OLAs or online loan apps dito sa Pilipinas. In this video, I'll talk about how the app works, yung requirements, how to apply, the pros and cons, and I'll also share my personal experience about getting the automatic loan increase without claiming the first offer. So, let's see kung sulit ba talaga siya. So, who can apply? Any Filipino resident ay pwede pong mag-apply kay FT Lending, and as long as you are at least 18 years old, up to 60 years old lamang po. You also need to have at least one valid government ID and an active phone number. Pwede ka nang mag-apply. How to apply? Actually, the process is very straightforward. Number 1, download nyo lang po yung FT Lending app. Number 2, you just have to fill out your personal details and upload a photo of your ID. Number 3, wait ka na lang po sa result ng credit evaluation to determine your credit limit. So, hintay ka lang sa approval. And then number 4, you can already confirm the loan amount na approve sa inyo and then review the terms. After that, you can submit your loan application based on your needs. And finally, number 6, you can receive your cash right away. Here's what happened to me. As I mentioned kanina, I tried applying for FT Lending for the very first time on September 27 and they gave me a credit limit right away of 4,800 pesos. Now, I did not claim it. Hindi ko po siya kinuha. Pero 2 days later, I got a text message. Ito yon. That they actually increased my credit limit from 4,800 to 5,800. Diba ang bongga? Agad-agad. Imagine, first time for 4,800 to 5,800 agad-agad. Kahit hindi ko pa siya kinuha. Usually kasi with the other loan apps, kailangan mo pang claim or take advantage yung initial loan offer and then bayaran mo agad bago ka offera ng mas mataas na credit limit. Pero dito kay FT Lending, automatic yung increase na ibinigay nila sa akin kahit hindi ko pa tinake yung initial offer. Nag-increase sila agad-agad. Surprising, di ba? Pagdating naman sa loan terms, yung repayment schedule ni FT Lending ay every 15 days. So, bali, bi-weekly siya or every 2 weeks. Bali, twice mo siyang babayaran in a month. Compared sa ibang OLAs na nag-offer ng 7 days to repayment, I think mas okay na rin to. At least, mas mahaba siya ng kaunti. And also, take note, buo mo pong makukuha yung loan amount kasi yung processing fee and service fee are already included or calculated together with the repayment amount. So, hindi na po yun ikakaltas o i-deduct doon sa loan amount mo. After my experience with FT Lending, here are the pros that I would consider. So with my experience with FT Lending, let's talk about the good side. Number 1, fast approval. Most of the time, the approval is actually on the same day or immediate. Like after a few minutes, you will already get your result. Number 2, easy requirements. They would only ask for one valid ID. Yun lang. Di mo na kailangan ng COE or payslip. Yun lang talaga. Another thing is they offer automatic loan increase. Like what happened to me, kahit hindi ko tinake yung initial offer nila sa akin, they went ahead and increased my credit limit agad-agad. Number 4, it's actually a revolving credit. So para ka nang may credit card dito. Like it's not a one-off loan. Let's say you were granted 10,000 pesos and you only took a loan for like 5,000. So may natitira ka pang 5,000. And because it's a revolving credit, pwede ka pang kumuha ng another loan, another 5,000 or 2,000, depende na po sa inyo. As long as meron ka pang available credit, pwede ka pang kumuha. So yeah, it is a revolving credit. And they actually offer dynamic credit enhancement wherein if you have a history of timely payments, consistent timely payments, then they can potentially increase your credit limit agad-agad up to 30,000 pesos, which is not bad. Pero syempre, may downsides din. And number 1 is yung high interest and fees. Napansin ko, iba-iba yung interest rate bawat borrower. And I think yung interest I calculated po based on individual profile ng borrower. The interest applied to me might be different sa interest na ipapatong nila sa inyo po. Hindi siya fixed. So guys, ito nga pala yung sample computation ng 1,000 pesos na loan from FT Lending. Meron akong tatlong loan term options pero titignan muna natin yung 1-term payment or 15-day repayment. So kung umutang ka ng 1,000 pesos, kailangan mo ibalik 1,157 pesos after 15 days. Ibig sabihin, 157 pesos yung tubo mo. That's around 15.7% interest in just 15 days. Ngayon, kung pipiliin mo naman yung 2-term or 30-day repayment, 1,225 pesos naman yung babayaran mo. So medyo mas mabigat, nasa 22.5% interest na yun for 1 month. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, habang humahaba yung term, mas lumalaki rin yung total na babayaran mo. So that's a combination na palahan ng interest at saka ng service fee. And then number 2, short repayment terms. I know I said it's better than a 7-day repayment option, pero still, naiiksian pa rin ako sa time to repay the loan. 30 days would be better if ever. 15 days is just short lang for me. Pero kung meron ka namang inaasahan na pera, let's say, you really need to make a payment now and 3 days later or within the next 10 days, sweldo ka naman, edi okay lang. Pwede mo naman siyang bayaran within that particular period. Diba? Another thing is, with short repayment terms, talagang mabilis kang maipit kung hindi ka prepared. Next, it has a temptation factor. Why did I include that? Kasi nga, they have this automatic credit limit increase. So, syempre, if palagay natin, in-increase nila ng 10,000 yung credit limit mo from 3K, diba? Tempting naman talaga. Pero again, please do not get it. Do not avail of the loan if hindi mo naman kailangan. So, yun lang. Kasi when they increase the loan offer or your credit limit, parang nakaka-tempt naman talaga. Gusto mong i-claim, diba? Pero kung hindi mo naman talaga siya kailangan, wag na. Don't get carried away. And syempre, collection pressure. If you miss payments, ang sabi, medyo makulit sila mag-collect ng payments. So, just make sure to always repay on time. So, a few tips. I always say this, maybe not all the time in all my videos, but I do say it every once in a while, na only borrow if necessary. Treat it like a credit card and use it only kung talagang kailangan mo. Number 2, always pay on time because the penalty and the interest will eat you alive. Mababaon ka po. Doon ka mababaon whenever you make late repayments. Number 3, huwag magpa-pressure sa loan increase ha. If hindi mo naman talaga kailangan, then don't take it. Number 4, always compare with other OLAs na mas mababa yung interest rate and other banks, yung mga legit personal loans from traditional banks. Kasi if you have better options naman, kung may ibang financial app na nag-o-offer ng mas mababa na interest rate or mas mahaba na repayment schedule, edi dun ka na. So yeah, always check your options. Kung may mas better naman, dun ka. Number 5, revolving credit sounds flexible. Yes, maganda, pero it can actually trap you in repeat borrowing. So, just be careful. So, here are some FAQs, very common questions lang. Legit ba ang FT lending? Yes, definitely. It is SEC registered. So, no doubt, in terms of legitimacy, legit na legit po si FT lending. Pwede ba mag-reloan agad? Yes. Because it's a revolving credit. So, definitely, pwede kang mag-reloan. As long as available pa naman yung credit limit na na-approve sa inyo, yes, pwede. And also, based on my experience, pwede na lang i-increase yung credit limit mo kahit hindi mo naman ginagamit. But then again, case-to-case basis pa rin po yan. And lastly, mabilis ba yung approval? I think nasagot ko na yun kanina. Yes, mabilis lang. Like in just a matter of minutes, you will already know if na-approve ka ba or hindi. And most of the time, within the same day talaga yung approval nila. Final thoughts? Well, FT lending actually works if you need emergency cash. And if you can repay it on time, agad, why not? It's better having this option kaysa naman wala. And yung pa-automatic credit limit increase nila, okay yun ha. It was a surprise for me. But then again, wag nyo na pong i-take if hindi nyo naman talaga kailangan yung ganun kalaking amount. If you only need 3,000 and then they gave you 8,000 na credit limit increase, okay lang. It's good to know that you have that as an option just in case for emergency. Pero kung 3,000 na naman yung kailangan mo, edi yun lang yung kunin mo. And tandaan, madali lang pumasok sa utang, pero mahirap lumabas. So yun lang. And if you are still here and you like what you see, then please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video to someone who might actually need it. Thank you so much for your time and for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!